It's your girl Brown. I am here with a sit down unboxing and just talking to you guys about some of the items that I got. And I just wanted to give you some ideas for the holidays. We all know we're trying to think of that special gift that we want either for ourselves, our bestie, our mom, our kid. So I just want to give you a little idea. And so these are a few pieces that I have, and I wanted to unbox it with you guys and see what you think about what I got, and then maybe give you some ideas for the holidays. So we went to the Gucci outlet and picked up a few things, and then we also went to the Gucci store. So I got a few items and I wanted to show you. So first things first, I was on the hunt for some cute Gucci shades. And so love this purple velvet feel of the sunglass case. All right, so girl, when I say I was in love with these cream wood grain sunglasses. Like they give you sunglasses, but you can wear these during the day, honey. I think these are super, super cute. They were at the discount Gucci store. So great price on these. I'll have all the prices in the description for you. It comes with a little Gucci satin little holder. And I love this. This would be great for the holidays. Great, great, great for the holidays. When you don't know what to really get someone, sunglasses are really, really good. These are super cute. I love them. So, as you'll see, I was on a little color trend with everything. I wanted everything to kind of match. And so, the next thing we'll open is this Gucci. And I just go ahead and open her on up there. As you see, ain't nothing cute about me opening this. Just like Christmas. Just opening it up. Woo. Alright, so like I told you guys on a previous unboxing, grab you some accessories. Luxury accessories. So this is a Gucci scarf. Absolutely love it. I can wear this in so many different ways. I cannot wait to show y'all just different ways of wearing your scarf. This is another great gift to give someone for the holidays. Absolutely love it. It feels so good on the skin. Yes, yes. So that's that Gucci scarf, girl, with all the GGs on there. Super, super cute. All right. Next thing is we picked these up from the Gucci outlet. Again, we were in California at the Desert Hill outlet. And if you watched the vlog, you seen us there. So they come with two of the shoe holders. So if you're traveling and your little dusters, they threw in some more dusters for me. How sweet is that? Let's get in here. I could not leave these in the store, y'all. I just couldn't leave these in the store. They were on a good price point. Super, super cute. You can see the GGs here. I think if I put the scarf next to it, it would be a cute little, little vibe. So this is one reason I grabbed this scarf. I grabbed the shoes first. And since I'm a mommy now, I've been really gravitating to tennis shoes and flats because I'm always on the go with the little one. But these are super cute, super comfortable. You can do so many things with these shoes. And they run a little big, so I'm now a 7. I was a 6.5 before the baby, and I got these in a 6.5. So super, super cute and comfy. Again, great price point. I can't remember right off the head. I feel like it was like $300 for these, and that's a steal for some Gucci tennis shoes. I bought some Gucci tennis shoes, and I feel like I paid like 7 plus 8. I think it was like $800 for those. So to get these for like 3 something was a steal. I wish the price was on here to tell you right off, but it was a steal, honey. So yeah, I think these are great things to get either yourself or a special loved one for the holidays. Okay, we'll put that back in there, trying to keep it nice and clean and neat. Your girl is a sucker for the boxing with Gucci. I love this new color scheme that they're doing now. This is just so pretty. And so I'm definitely styling my room, my closet room up with some of the Gucci boxes. Absolutely love. So this is a splurge item, something that I wanted to treat myself to because I feel like I work so much. I wanted to treat myself to a nice bag. And I have not opened this since I got it. So let's check it out together. I feel like it's a little magnet. Yeah. There we go. So pretty. I love the packaging. Love how they package their items. Alright, so it's in a little duster. When I seen this cutie, she had to come home with me. She had to. Oh my gosh. Y'all, when I say I'm in love, I am in love. This cutie can be worn several different ways. Love, love, love. I didn't have them to take the all the wrapping and stuff off because I wanted to keep it the way that they have it. So now I'll open it all up for you guys. I love the gold hardware on this purse. I absolutely love it. All right. Girl, they got this wrapped tight, honey. She is wrapped for the wads. All right, so I'm going to get this off, and I'll be right back to show you the whole setup. All right, so here she is. How cute is she? So I wanted to do something a little different from the normal, Gucci that I would normally pick up and like. I wanted to get something that spoke to me as a classy woman, right? This bag can be worn like a clutch. I love that. I absolutely love the fact that I could just wear it like this. Oh, so classy and so classic. I like the fact that I can wear it as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. And I will definitely be showing, me, Brown is going to show you several different ways to wear it. You could do it as a crossbody. So, so cute. I love it. I can wear what I got on. Honey, super, super cute. The inside, let's look in the inside. So, this bag can hold, you could put your phone in here. I know that you can put your wallet, your lip gloss, your hand sanitizer, because your girl gotta have some of that. And you can put a few things in here and enjoy it. But super, super cute purse. Again, it was a splurge item, and I love it. The gold hardware sold me. I like the fact that it has this like magnet effect. So when I say you can't get in this purse, you can't get in it, girl. You can't just get in here. You're going to have to tug her open. Absolutely love it, love it, love it. It's a good, I feel like, look, my hand getting stuck in there. You see that? It ain't playing with us. This is such a cute bag. So, yes, yes, yes. I would definitely say look into Gucci. Check this out. This is one of their new collections. Check it out. See what you think. I think it's going to go well with all the accessories that I picked up. All right, dolls. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing part. Stay tuned next for the styling. You know that's my favorite part. So don't forget, before you watch anymore, to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, honey, and stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed the styling of these pieces with a few outfits. I hope you really enjoyed that. Thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to tell a friend to come over here and see what Brown Sugar Doll is doing, honey. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate you guys for your love and support, and I will be talking to you guys soon.